Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje guys, it's about the trending video of Lerato Molweni. I pray that I pronounce her name right. So Lerato guys is a young girl. She's young because she's 20. For me, Mauna 20, we are very young. She's a young girl. OT, she was invited or she was promised a job only to later find out a modeling gig, only later to find out ukuthi uzoyenza i-video ye-PO, which is a cloth video. Ne guys, let me just post a video of her explaining this whole thing, guys.
Hi everyone, my name is Lerato Molelang. I'm 20 years old South African woman who has been a victim of a fake modeling scam. I was exploited and publicity humiliated in a manner I did not concern. I did not sign any contract and I was taken advantage of under false pretenses. I'm currently exploring the available legal options to take against the individual involved and the perpetrated agency. I'm also aware of a Facebook account that falsely claims to be associated with me. I wish to place it on record that this account is fake and I'm not responsible for any of the posts made on it. The matter has been reported to the relevant authorities who are currently attending to it.
So that is Lerato, guys, explaining her side of the story. Guys, a lot of people who watched the video, I did see the clips of the video and I did read what Chris Excel posted or wrote, guys. Guys, apparently on the video, Lerato begins with love with this white man and to show that she gave her consent. It's bokhona la kuphunyuka khona yena aphinda abuyisele, you get, bokhona la kuboniswa khona ukuthi you know if nenza ucansi then khona la mhlambe izawuphuma into kababa wena uyibuyisele wena. So that is the only reason abantu abayishoyo, or the only sign that abantu abayishoyo that they've seen ukuthi bathi kwenzeka yi-3. So Bonyeka ibuyisele if bokunga bangavumanga, and there are also allegations that are saying she was paid 10K for that video. So for me, I think if uvumile to make that love or to have love with this old white man, it's only because maybe bekafuna le mali. Guys, we know unemployment rate, but she didn't know that the video will be posted on social media. She didn't know that the video will be posted kusite yalo muntu lo yicanti labantu abadala. She didn't know that, and I think she has a right to sue this guy, because even if sivumelene ukuthi senza whatever siyenza now, I'm getting paid now, why manje song video rise without my consent? Why song video without my consent? Okay, song video, so yenzile that video. Why are you posting the video? Why are you posting the video, guys? It is so sad because Utiana lapha makabiza, she was promised a modeling gig only to later find out to know this is not a modeling gig. So kumele bayenze lelo cancer, and we do not know ukuthi i-agreement yabo ihambe kanjani, because I've seen a video, guys, where the white guy is interviewing this young lady. He was asking her ukuthi uthanda bani, who's a role model. He said my father. Another person, he said, so she said Nicki Minaj. It shows ukuthi abantu they're saying because she said she loves Nicki Minaj and she's looking up Nicki, they thought no bekachaza lo baba lo because ibody Nicki is fire. But to me, I feel like this is wrong, and this guy, I don't think ukuthi the company that he is owning is registered. And if you look at the site where interview corner this young girl, I did look, you can see ukuthi une target market tag, and target market tag, it's very young girls, people ababe emafamilini angekho privilege, because if you check them you could see ukuthi this person is looking for a job, is desperate for a job. I don't know ukuthi ba recruiter kanjani, but I know ukuthi indlela ba recruiter ngayo it may not be right, and indlela ba recruiter ngayo mhlambe it's a thing ukuthi come senze lento lena, then after this doing this thing I'll just give you that 10K, then umuntu abona ukuthi into encane mos, let me just do it. Guys, impilo imali eza masinyane ihamba masinyane, imali eza ngendlela engekho right izosheshe ihambe ngendlela engekho right. You understand? I feel sorry for this young girl. I don't want to lie, I truly feel sorry. I don't agree with what this old man did. I do not agree with what he did, and I don't think ukuthi as abantu basho ukuthi she's only doing this video just because ufila engathi abantu abaningi they've seen this video, more especially South Africa. Ivele kakhulu South Africa ingakwenza ivideo mhlawumbe abantu who are close to her heart sebayibonile ivideo, so she had ukuthi release a statement release statement on an actual date ayenza ivideo ngayo, because bekazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni there, wayangabuyanga washo, why asho now when ivideo seyatrend. But even if that it was the case, I really don't believe ukuthi bekazi ukuthi ivideo izopost. Yes, 80% I do believe ukuthi mhlambe bekazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, or even if bangazi mhlambe uvumile ukuthi bayenze ikloflof, but I do not think ukuthi uvumile ukuthi if postwe that video, which is wrong, guys, which is wrong. It is so sad, it is so sad ukubona abantwana abancane abafuna umsebenzi ukudlalwa ngabo kanje. It is truly sad, guys. It is truly sad. This girl, she's very young, she's 20. I know someone knows what umuntu ona 20 une-right ukwenza everything. Yes, une-right ukwenza everything, but being 20 and unemployed is the most difficult thing ongayifuni even for wena. It's the most difficult thing you could ever experience. You are 20, you are young, awazi impilo yakho ukuthi kumele uthathe ini be ini, maybe even the background endlini akukho kuhle, then you get a DM from this white guy, or someone refers you for this white guy at Waza, I have a modeling gig, only to find out my put this is not what I subscribed for, but I'm trying to convince you to do a video, or I convince you to nenze that of cancel it. Why post my video? I feel sorry for this young girl. I don't wanna lie, but we will see as time goes. And I think this guy will produce more evidence ezotshengisa ukuthi bavumelene or not. But uthi she didn't sign any contract, akashonga next yena isite la kamfana as the video is trending uthi the guy when I will puma will be sent. So bazali bami, please comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.